And if you need a camera, if you're an up-and-coming YouTuber, if you're looking for a device that shoots the absolute highest pixel density, greatest video with the greatest stabilization, and oh my effing God, the best audio I have ever heard come out of a cell phone, this is it. Wide angle footage I've got from this shits on my GoPro, shits on my A7 III. That's right, I said it shits on a mirrorless camera.
What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So smartphone cameras are getting better, and for a lot of people the smartphone camera is good enough. But how close is the smartphone camera to a professional DSLR or mirrorless camera? Well, let's put it to the test. So I'm going out in the park to show you guys some footage with my Oneplus 9 Pro against my Canon 90D. And I'm going to show you guys some video and still footage and let you be the judge for yourself. This is going to be a good one because I love my professional DSLR, but smartphones is closing the gap. So let's go on to see what it's all about. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm out here at the park and I bought my professional DSLR, which is the Canon 90D. I have it paired up with a Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter lens at 1.8 aperture. I'm shooting this at 4K, 30 frames per second. My shutter speed is 1/60. I'm using the Oneplus 9 Pro at 4K, 30 frames per second, and I'm using the regular lens as y'all guys, what y'all guys seeing right now. So right now, the image quality that you're looking at is coming from both cameras. Now, as far as the mic system, I'm using the wireless setup. I got the Rode mic system connected to my Canon 90D. I'm going to let y'all guys listen to the audio on the Oneplus 9 Pro. But in this video, I want y'all guys to see a professional DSLR compared to a smartphone. Now, we already know that with the technology and smartphones right now, they're kind of closing the gap. But I want y'all guys to see for yourself the image quality between a professional DSLR versus a smartphone. Now, on the professional DSLR, you can do a whole lot of things, you know, as far as image quality, profiles, and change the shutter speed, apertures, you know, add wide angle lenses and stuff like that. When you get a smartphone, it is what it is. Whatever it comes with is what you have. Now, on the Oneplus 9 Pro, you do have Pro mode. So you have Pro mode, which is really good, that you can make all your adjustments accordingly. But I want y'all guys to see the image quality between a professional DSLR and a smartphone. And look at the background blur between both devices. Which one give you the better detail and image quality? Now, let me go and let y'all guys listen to the audio coming from the Oneplus 9 Pro. All right, so this is the audio coming from the Oneplus 9 Pro. You be the judge for yourself. Now, one of the things that I always talk about when it comes down to audio, you have to have a dongle if you want to use an external solution as far as wireless mics or lav mics or something like that. When they take away the headphone jack, you have to buy more accessories in order to use, you know, external mics. And I always complain about that on smartphones, that if you want to have a smartphone catered to professionals or maybe up and coming professional filmmakers, the headphone jack is very important because we want to use external mics, maybe wireless mics, lav mics and stuff like that, and we don't want to be tethered to the internal phone mics. But so far, the Oneplus 9 Pro mics is not bad. It just, if you want to use external solutions, you have to use dongles. So the audio's back now on the Canon 90D, and I'm using the wireless Rode Go, which is really nice. I got a lav mic set up in my shirt. But I want y'all guys to see the details of the shirt. This is one of the reasons why I wore this shirt. You got a lot of different color representations. You have yellow, you have red, you have blue. And look at the background. You got trees, you got all kinds of different elements that you can get to see the details on everything here. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys some still footage, some photos coming from a professional DSLR, and I'm gonna do JPEG only, coming from my Canon 90D and the Oneplus 9 Pro. So check out these photos. So I wanted to make this video because I want y'all guys to see the image quality as far as video and still footage between a professional DSLR, which is my Canon 90D, and the Oneplus 9 Pro. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Oneplus 9 Pro and the professional DSLR, which is my Canon 90D. See you guys on the next video. Peace.